Hi, Lindsay here. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell up top for those notifications.
Okay, so today I'm going to be making some chicken fried steak. So I have my meat tenderizer right here. A lot of people don't know this side is for chicken, this side is for steak. So I'm going to be using the textured side. So I bought these at the store already tenderized. I don't want to do it too much. I just like to, but you don't want to pound it too much where it comes apart. Okay, so now I'm going to take my flour. I'm going to season it with seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. And then I'm going to make an egg wash and milk mixture. I have 3 bowls set aside here. 1 for the flour, 1 for the egg wash, and 1 for the finished meat. I'm going to start with my flour. I'm going to drop a bunch of flour into here. Probably a cup or so. Now I'm going to take some salt. Add some salt. Take some ground pepper. Sprinkle that in there. Take some onion powder. Sprinkle it. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, it's actually because your seasoning is going to come from your flour. So you want to make sure that you have garlic powder. You're going to want to make sure that you have a nice flavor. Just like if you were to do fried chicken, same concept. You want to season that flour mixture real nicely. This is seasoned salt or season all. See, I have all my ingredients right there. And then I'm just going to fork it up. I like to do this to look at the consistency. I want to be able to see a little bit of that seasoning inside the flour mixture. In my opinion, it needs a little bit more seasoned salt, so I'm going to add that now. Mix that around. Should be good to go. You see that? You can see the seasonings. Now that I have my flour mixture done, I'm going to go on to my egg wash. So I have 3 eggs and some whole milk. I'm going to combine this, crack my eggs first, and I'll show you how much milk to add. Okay, I've added in my 3 eggs. Now I'm going to take my milk and I'm going to add that to the egg mixture. Then you want to take a fork and mix all that around. Now I have my eggs and my milk. Should look like this. Now I have my cast iron skillet and I'm going to dump my vegetable oil into it to start getting it hot. Should be a good amount right there. Want enough to submerge your steak. Okay. I'm waiting on my oil to heat. I have it on medium-high heat. I'm going to let that get hot, and in the meantime, I'm going to start battering my chicken fried steaks and get them prepared to put on my skillet. I'm going to take my tenderized meat, put it into that egg mixture. The noises you hear in the background are water boiling for my mashed potatoes and the chicken fried steak that's in the cast iron on the oil. I'm going to go ahead and keep tossing the flour around on this. Sometimes you have to press it down kind of firmly to get the flour mixture to coat that. You want all that egg mixture to soak up the flour. Sometimes you have to repeat this process several times before you get your meat coated. And then you're going to transfer it over to your cast iron skillet. Battered steak. I'm going to drop it into my cast iron skillet and let it cook until it gets nice and golden brown. So I've flipped it over at this point, and it's now cooking on the other side. You see how it's starting to get a nice golden brown color. It still has to cook a little bit more. I see some juices pulling up right there. But I mean, overall, so far it's looking great. Beautiful. Look at how beautiful those chicken fried steaks are. Look at that crusting. I mean, come on.